What's up guys, so I just picked up a Tesla this past month and I wanted to go into my buying experience. You might be looking at a Tesla and you're wondering how to get the best possible deal because traditionally Tesla doesn't discount off MSRP. So in this video, I'm going to go into my buying experience and how I got a discount off a brand new Tesla. Stay tuned to the end of this video where I actually go over current discounts that were just announced this past week. Let's get in it. What's up guys, my name is Dennis and I just got a Model 3 and I make videos on my experience. If you're interested in any of that, hit that subscribe. So my journey actually started by submitting a test drive inquiry on Tesla.com. I actually had no idea how Tesla owner advisors actually work and that multiple owner advisors could talk to me at the same exact time. I didn't know you were not supposed to do that. And that by submitting multiple inquiries on multiple Tesla sites, that would be getting multiple owner advisories talking to me at the same time. I guess they don't have a system where they can see each other, or maybe they do. I was initially looking at a Model S, a Model X, or a Model 3, but whatever would have the biggest discount. Tesla actually discounts their vehicles for a variety of reasons. Demo vehicles, showroom vehicles, and marketing vehicles. Hit that like button if you know exactly what I'm talking about and you got a demo, or a discount. After a few exchanges with owner advisors, I actually got sent a performance Model 3 with 2,240 miles and $1,170 discount, a Model 3 with 41 miles and a $6,050 discount, and a Model S with only 50 miles and a $19,510 discount. In the end, I went with the Model 3 Performance Sleeper with a $6,000 discount. Hit that link above if you want to watch my video about that and what a sleeper is. Which brings us to now. I actually discovered this Facebook group called Tesla Showroom Deals that helps everyone get discounts or deals on new Teslas. I'll paste it below in the description so you can join and submit your inquiry. They actually announced it before any of the other blogs, the current discounts for Q3 on new Teslas. Currently, you can actually get 2 hardware items comped, like rims, paint, or white interior, or free supercharging on any Model 3 if taken delivery by September 30th. So the Tesla must be an inventory delivery then. So there's more details in the group, but this is an awesome deal if you're looking. Thanks for watching and happy hunting. Hit that like if you enjoyed this video, and comment below if you were able to score a deal on a Tesla yourself. See ya!